Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jake, and today we are going to be moving some asphalt millings with the Cormidi C1500 mini skid steer. If you guys have been following along with my little woodyard build project back here, you know that we've got about 30 triaxle dump truck loads of asphalt millings for free dumped here on the property. We've gotten about half of that spread thanks to my good buddy Bill and his excavator, and Shane, the operator of the excavator. He came by, I think it's probably 2 or 3 afternoons so far, and created this whole work area and opened up the driveway parking area. But the only thing that's left is the actual road that connects the two separate areas. We have about 10 or 13 truckloads that are currently laying back there, and it's kind of preventing me from getting, from doing the full loop, from getting back here to the front of the driveway and vice versa. So we're going to be working on that today. Another big thing here on the channel that just happened today, actually, I picked up the first version of the Dude Ranch DIY t-shirts. We got a nice pocket tee in forest green with the logo on the front here, American flag on the sleeve, and as you can see, we got a big logo on the back. So I mentioned it in a video, I think I posted like last week, but if anybody is interested in getting a t-shirt, let me know in the comment section below, or shoot me an email at duderanchdiy1@gmail.com. I'm trying to assemble a list of everybody's names and the size that they want, because the more orders that I get, that just drives the price down even farther, so I can get the shirts at a good price. So enough chit chat, we're gonna get going here.
All right, so before I hop on the machine and start making noise, as you can see, I threw on the tooth bucket. Super easy to change out the grapple for the tooth bucket. It's just the standard mini skid steer quick attach plate, 2 pins, 1 on either side. Pull those pins, pop off the grapple, unhook the hydraulics, 1, 2, 3, easy peasy. So I haven't really used the Cormidi to even touch any of these asphalt millings. I've used it a little bit in a video a few weeks ago, helping out my buddy Chris, moving some dirt. But I think it's gonna be pretty good at it, because it's kind of like a little bulldozer. It actually weighs more than the tractor, believe it or not, when the tractor doesn't have the ballast box on. And because you can adjust the throttle and like the RPMs on it kind of to where it won't die or bog down, I think it'll be like a little bulldozer in pushing some of these asphalt millings out into this area here. So the plan is that eventually when Shane comes back with the machine, we're gonna keep following this line here, and kind of where those rocks are will be the edge of it. We're gonna knock those rocks down, and then where you can see that twin stem, I think that's a oak back there, twin stem oak, it's gonna kind of taper in that way and then connect back to the road. So I figured I'd start pushing some stuff around. Here we go. right, guys, so quick little update. First things first, this Cormidi is amazing. Every time I do something new with it, it just really impresses me. In this short amount of time, I don't even know what it was, probably about a half an hour or so, I just basically spread the majority of a triaxle load of millings here and kind of bulldozed some out that way beyond the tree, and then filled in this whole little like semicircle. If you guys remember, it was kind of coming, the millings were kind of like around this area, and then I pushed them out this way. I mean, you can see just in comparison to where the Joe box is, to where the millings, it's probably about a foot, maybe 16 inches or so of fill here. So the Cormidi's doing great. The teeth on the bucket make all the difference. If I ever get around to installing the Piranha bar that I have, or tooth bar for the tractor, because I do have one. It's sitting right up there in that Shelter Logic. I've had it for over a year. I actually got it like right when I got the tractor, and I've just never put it on because I really don't do much digging or dirt work. So if anybody has a Piranha tooth bar on their tractor that watches the channel, let me know in the comments below, because I really need some convincing to put it on. I know it's just a waste sitting there. It's kind of stupid that I haven't. But anyway, I think my next plan of attack is to try and hit the rest of this pile and the pile beyond it kind of at a diagonal, and I'm going to kind of like try and bulldoze and push my way all the material this way. Every time Shane's here, I watch him and how he uses the excavator and the blade on the excavator to kind of like build the road in front of him, so to speak. So he just pushes material and then blades it level, and then kind of stops right when the blade reaches the edge of the material, and then he backs up, moves more material, piles it up, and then pushes it out further. So I'm going to try and do that. I'm definitely getting more used to where level is on the bucket, because again, I don't really use the bucket all that much. So this is a learning experience for me, but the fact that you can adjust the power, sensibility, this knob right here. Yellow means that it won't bog down. Red means speed. So depending on where you adjust this knob, you can choose whether you want like torque, like pushing power, or if you want more speed. So I've actually had it positioned more towards the torque. That way, when I'm running into these piles, it doesn't bog down, and it really hasn't. I mean, it's conked out a couple times when I hit the pile kind of hard and don't really lift the boom, I guess, at the same time. So it's conked out, but you'll see, I think, especially in this next coming little part, that it just bulldozes and pushes right through this stuff. So here we go. Well guys, mission accomplished. It is getting dark here, but we have connected the front to the back. Don't mind the tripod, but we did it. And that was actually surprisingly a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Now, by no means did I do as good of a job, or is it as smooth as Shane with the excavator? I'm sure if he was running the Cormidi, he could probably get it a lot smoother, but I surprised myself. I mean, and this machine surprised me. It continually surprises me with its power and the grip that the tracks get, even on this loose asphalt millings and stuff. But I mean, it's not the smoothest, but we got a path, and I can get the Cormidi and the tractor both from the front and back, to the driveway to load up. So mission accomplished. This section came out really nice. I was, trying to kind of make this finish grade over here. There's a little low spot right over here where the leaves meet the clean part, but that's no big deal. So yeah, we got it done. Cormidi C1500 mini skid steer. Again, just wow. Really, really powerful, compact, awesome little machine.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. We made a lot of progress, but that's gonna be it for this one. It's getting dark. One thing before I go, again, a little reminder, if you guys want a shirt, let me know in the comments section, but preferably via email at duderanchdiy1@gmail.com. Give me your name, your address, and the size of a shirt that you would want. And like I said, I'm gonna assemble a list, and once I get enough orders or shirts, then I'll place the order, and hopefully I can drive the price down a little bit for you guys. But that's gonna be it for today. As always, if you're new to the channel and haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button down below. I'd really appreciate it. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Questions, comments, or feedback, put it in the comments section below. Be sure to share with your friends. But that's it. I'm Jake. This is Dude Ranch DIY. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you here next time.